to Looking at the Markets with David Moadel. This is going to be a quick video. I've just got a few thoughts, things that you need to know about market crashes, because I see so many articles online and elsewhere predicting when a stock market crash is going to happen. Will it happen this year? Will it happen this month? Are we due for one? Volatility is low, so surely a market crash is going to happen, or we haven't had a market crash in X number of years, and so it's due for one. And I also want to talk about being prepared for a market crash. Here's the fact when it comes to market crashes: you won't see it coming. I don't care how long you've been trading or investing. I don't care who you are or where you've been or what you've done. You won't see it coming, and I won't see it coming either. If people are expecting it and everyone's ready for it, that's not when it will happen. It is pointless to listen to forecasters' predictions. So all these guys or gals, whatever, who think they have a crystal ball, think that they can predict the future and when a market crash is going to happen, don't listen to them. They don't know. They're hired to make predictions. They're hired to write articles. They're hired to get clicks or views or whatever. They don't know any more than you or I do. A market crash is frightening and awe-inspiring when it's actually happening. And you can't get a sense of what it's like just from looking at the charts. You can look at a chart of the S&P 500 or the Dow or the NASDAQ, whatever, and you could see the big drops, but you don't know what it's really like to be in the midst of one until you've actually been there trading or investing or whatever. It's pretty awe-inspiring and very scary at the same time, especially if you own just about anything. If you weren't trading or investing in 2008 or 2000, 2001 or 1987 or whenever, then you have no idea, believe me. You can read about it, you can listen to people talk about it, but unless you've been there, then you don't know what it's like. And if you think that you'll be able to protect your investments after a crash has already started, yeah, think again. By the time you realize that it's a bona fide market crash and not just another dip or correction or pullback, whatever, by then long positions will already be sunk. So by the time you realize, oh wait, this is a real crash, this is not just a 10% or 15% pullback, this is the real deal. Yeah, by then whatever you own will be down so much that if you try to protect yourself then, good luck with that, because buying put options, they'll be unaffordable by that point, okay? So, or whatever you're going to try to do to protect yourself, or cutting your losses, by then your losses will be very, very sizable. Unless you're willing and able to leave your invested money untouched for years, riding out a market crash is not fun at all. Yeah, it's not really a viable option to just say, well, if a market crash happens, so what? I'll just ride it out. I'll just wait it out. Well, check out this chart here of the S&P 500. If you buy at the wrong time, if you bought at the top, you might have to wait 6 or 7 years just to break even. Forget about making a profit, just to break even. If you bought here, you would have had to let your money sit there untouched for 7 years just to get your money back, just to break even. And from if you had bought at the top back in 2000, or if you bought at the top back in 2007, you would have had to wait 6 years just to get your money back. So riding it out, unless your time frame is decades, really it's not a great option. And if you lose a lot of money because of a market crash, getting your money back will be an uphill battle. Here's a chart here. If you only lose 5% of your trading or investing account, I mean, that's no fun, but in order to make that money back, you'd have to earn 5.3% to get that money back, to break even. It's doable, it's possible. But if you lose 50% of your money, now you're down so much that you actually have to double your money at that point. You have to gain 100% of what's left in your account just to get back to the break-even point. All right, and if you lose more than 50% of your account, then you're in rough shape, and it's going to be a major uphill battle to try to break even. So what's the takeaway? Well, don't listen to anybody who predicts or claims to predict when a market crash will happen. Don't even listen to that person. I don't know. No one knows. Okay? Don't try to predict that, and don't listen to anybody who does. Do make a plan to protect yourself before it's too late. Get a plan, and get a plan very soon, is what I'm telling you. You have a number of choices to do this. There are put options, small position sizing is another way, stop losses, pairs trading, and so on. So I can help you with that. If you want to contact me, we can talk about how to do that. It's something you need to do. All right, so please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or inspiring. If it inspires you to protect yourself, if it gives you something to think about that maybe you haven't thought about so much before, if you learned something, please give this video a thumbs up on YouTube, leave comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive the latest updates on my financial educational content. And if you'd like to contact me, you can email me anytime at davidmoadel@gmail.com. Thank you so much. This is a very important message. I hope you got it. Feel free to spread it to anybody and everybody who is investing or thinking about investing. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you again soon.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.